This session is called Using Multiple Windows with Top Producer 7i. When you start using Top Producer 7i, because this is an internet-based application, you do not have the ability to have multiple windows open at the same time. However, you still have the functionality of using multiple windows as described in this session. For example, right now we are currently looking at our home page, but if I did not want to move away from that feature to open up a new feature, I can go up to the top right hand corner and access our shortcut menu options, and I can open my scheduler up right over top of the home page. When I do this, if you notice down at the bottom left hand side, you now have your main page as one tab and your scheduler as a second tab. As you're working inside your scheduler, we can go back up to the right hand corner and we can even open up our quick contact list, and that will bring up the list of all of our contacts. Again, notice at the bottom we now have 3 tabs at the bottom. This allows you to continue working on a feature, and at any time you can go back to, for example, the scheduler to look up information, or your quick contact list, and cycle through multiple areas. For this example, I'm going to show you how we can work on creating a letter, and then we can open something over top of that, and we can still save all of our changes without losing it while working on that letter. Let's assume that I was writing a letter to a client, and as I'm writing the letter to the customer, I receive a phone call from another client. Instead of me trying to save this and knowing where to come back and trying to access it later, I can leave this letter open, and I can go up to the top right hand corner and I can click on my quick contact list. What you'll notice is the quick contact list opened up over top of the letter. I can go to a customer's record, I can view the customer's record, I can open up the information, I can make notes in their record, I can continue on, and when my conversation is finished with the customer and I close out of that customer's record, I can return right back to the letter I was creating, and it takes me right back to the spot where I was.